guys, my name is Deja. By the title of the video, you already know what's going on. Today I'll be showing you guys the Bonita Rebel hair, how the hair comes packaged, and giving you my honest review on the hair before install. I'll also be comparing the hair to the Freetress hair, which is commonly used to create soft locks, and that is currently the hair that I have in my head right now. The Freetress hair you can go to your local beauty store and pick up. If you search soft locks on YouTube, you will see so many different girls use Freetress hair to create soft locks or butterfly locks or boho locks, whatever you like to call them. I just call them soft locks. So if you want to know what I think of the hair and how the hair is similar, how the two hairs are similar and different, keep on watching this video. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you comment down below. Tell me what type of hair you guys use to create soft locks. You also most definitely want to make sure you subscribe, because once I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway and you don't want to miss that. I want to thank you all for the support so far. So let's get into the video. The only thing I will say is that the shipping was a little slow with the Bonita Rebel hair. I believe this is my third time ordering the hair, and this is the fastest that I have gotten the hair. I believe I ordered the hair like a couple days before Christmas, and I received the hair on January 4th, so that was super fast. But the first two times ordering the hair, I didn't receive anything about shipping or anything until like 2 to 3 weeks after ordering the hair. So it almost took me like 3 weeks to 4 weeks to receive the hair. However, that was not an issue this time. It could have been something with pre-orders or back orders maybe the first two times, but this time I got the hair extremely fast. I received shipping information extremely fast. So I will say the shipping was a little slow with the Bonita hair the first two times. However, that was not an issue this time. I purchased the Freetress hair because I wanted to go ahead and get my hair done fast. I didn't want to wait, so I went to my local beauty store. I purchased the Freetress hair, and I paired the Freetress hair with the NuLocs and got this look that I have now. So I selected the Freetress hair strictly off of convenience, and the hair actually looks really good. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera how good these locks look, but they look really good, and these are really old. So I'm actually getting ready to take these out, and I'm going to install the Bonita hair this week. But let me stop talking. I'm going to show you guys how the hair comes and how the hair looks straight out of the packaging. I ordered, I'll try to insert some clips of when I first installed the Bonita Rebel hair, like my different orders. My first order, I purchased the hair in 22 inches, and then I wanted something a little longer. So then the second time I purchased the 28 to 32 inches, and that is what I purchased now. So I'm going to show you the hair. One thing I like about the Bonita Rebel hair, I like that for her base she uses passion twist, and I couldn't find a passion twist base in the store. I had to go with the NuLocs. If you guys don't know what the NuLocs is, I'll try to insert a picture, or I will link the NuLocs hair down below. So let's get straight into how the hair comes and how the hair looks. So like I said, I did go ahead and open it, but the Bonita Rebel hair comes in this beautiful gold packaging. The first two times it came in this gold packaging. It's a lot of hair, and it's stuffed in here. She sells her hair by kits, so kits, or you can get the wrapping hair alone. I believe it's cheaper to just go ahead and get the kit. It basically depends on you, but the kit comes with about 60 to 65 passion twists, and then 4 sets of wrapping hair, which you know, the wrapping hair for this hair, I use the Freetress hair as wrapping hair, but Bonita has her own wrapping hair, which is much coilier, I will say, than the Freetress hair, and I will show you guys that after I pull this hair out and show y'all how the hair comes packaged. This is the base for the Bonita Rebel hair. It'll come with her little signature tag. It'll say Bonita Rebel. It'll have her logo and everything on there. And so it says type of hair, base, texture of the hair, twist, and the hair comes in 1B. I did message her because I did see where she did one of her clients' hair and the hair was in red. I wanted that color, but she said that they are not selling red yet. They haven't found a trusted vendor, but the hair is in black. So once they get the hair in color, I will order the hair in color because I just like color, and I hate how the Freetress color looks. I hate how the Freetress color looks. I couldn't find Freetress hair color all one color. It was all ombre at my local beauty store. I don't know if you guys have it in one color there. But this is how the base looks. It's just passion twist, and this is the 28 to 32 inches. It's just passion twist. So if you guys don't know how to create the soft locks, you basically just crochet in the base and then wrap the wrapping hair. So I'm gonna stand up and show you guys where the hair comes on me, but the hair comes as passion twist. That's the base. My first time ordering the hair, I was expecting locks, but she used passion twist as her base, and I believe she said like it gives it a more like flowy, soft lock look and feel. It's not stiff like the Fox locks. So standing up, I am about 5'2", 5'3.5" maybe. Woo. And the hair is gonna be very long on me, stretched out and wrapped. It's gonna be past my butt, like it comes past my butt, so it's gonna be pretty long. And yeah, it's just she uses a passion twist base. Now let's get into the part that really matters, the wrapping hair, because let's be honest, you're not gonna see the base. So I have not cut the base apart, but the base comes in 4 little sets. And so her tag is attached to this, but this is the hair for the base. I don't know if you guys can see, it's very shiny. And so basically you'll just, I'm not gonna take it out, but you'll pull the piece off and then just wrap it around. The hair is very shiny. It's a perfect amount of shine to me to make the hair look most natural. But once you fluff that hair out and get it ready to, once you fluff the hair out and get it ready to wrap around the hair, like it's gonna provide so much texture. I'm not a girl that like a lot of texture on my hair, like with the butterfly looks. I feel like sometimes the butterfly looks can come off like you look like a poodle. But yeah, it's not much I can say besides showing you guys the hair. The hair is dope. The hair is like good hair. So let me show you how the hair looks compared to the Freetress hair. The Freetress hair, I use deep water wave, I believe, deep wave, whatever it is. I'll link it down below. The Freetress hair is much looser than the Bonita Rebel hair. So let me show you a piece of the Bonita Rebel hair compared to the Freetress hair. So I did take a piece off, you guys. This is the Bonita Rebel hair. Like, look how kinky it is. Look how tight the curl is. I hope you guys can see the shine on the hair. And this is the Freetress hair. Much looser. Much looser pattern. Much looser. Both, I'll say, has a nice shine. As far as how they feel, I would say the Freetress hair feels a little softer than the Bonita Rebel hair. Yeah, the Bonita Rebel hair is a way kinkier or has a tighter curl than the Freetress hair. So I would say, I don't know if I was rougher on my hair this time or what, but I'll say with the Bonita Rebel hair, my locks last a lot longer. This hairstyle takes forever, so I'm the type of person, if I'm gonna take my time and it takes a long time for me to do my hair, I'm gonna keep it in for like 2 months. So I would say after a month and a half, some of my hair on my locks start unraveling and like pulling down. I didn't have to worry about that with the Bonita Rebel hair at all. An additional type of hair comes with the Bonita Rebel kit, which I'm going to show you guys right now. She sends like curly ends if you want to add ends onto your hair. I will say the ends are very similar, if not the same type of curl pattern as the Freetress hair. Like, it's literally like the same. You really can't even tell. This is the Freetress hair right here. This is the curly ends that come with it. Putting them close together is basically the same. So she sends these ends in case you want to add more length to your hair, in case you want like curly ends on your hair. I never do it, but it's awesome. But it's good to have this hair if you don't want the curly ends, if you run out of wrapping hair. So just use this as additional wrapping hair. With the hair comes a little thing just saying thank you for purchasing my hair, blah blah blah. Her name is Bonita Rebel. Tips come on the back telling you how to take care of the hair, what you need to do to take care of the hair, blah blah blah. You can wash the hair while it's in your head. I haven't done that. I'm just scared with my hair. I'll probably get mad at, I don't know, I'm not going through that. I'll just wash my hair before or after install. But she sends tips. Now, as far as pricing, what matters, the Bonita Rebel hair was a little more pricey than me going to buy the NuLocs hair and the hair store hair. I would say, I believe the Bonita Rebel hair for the 28 to 32 inches was about $180, but I got the hair on sale, like for Black Friday or some type of promotion she had going on. I got the hair for $150, which I think is usually the amount for the 22 inch. The Freetress hair, these locks are 22 inches, but what I've learned when wrapping the hair, the locks go extend. So that 28-inch passion twist come like past my butt. So my hair is going to be really long after wrapping it. Freetress hair was just, the Freetress hair and the locks, I believe after paying for like the LOCS and the Freetress hair and all the supplies I needed, cost me about $150. So the price isn't really that different. Soft locks, boho locks, butterfly locks, whatever you want to call them, it is an expensive style to do. I think you guys should use YouTube as your advantage. Learn how to do styles. It's easy. Crocheting is the easiest type of style and they last long. So learn how to do your hair, learn what hair looks best. I was going to get some soft locks done in Atlanta, and one girl was going to charge me $500. One girl, I went on her website. She had did Summerella's sister hair, and her hair looked bomb, but she was charging like $1,000. I said no.
Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
I don't got that kind of time because it's a panoramic.
I said no. I ran across Bonita Rebel on Instagram. She was selling her tutorial. She was selling her hair. So I was like, I can buy the hair and learn how to do it and save me money. So that's exactly what I did. I hope this video helped you guys decide what hair is best for soft locks. If you've been contemplating on getting Bonita Rebel hair, I hope this helped you decide if you want to purchase the hair. I will say my honest opinion, the Bonita Rebel hair is great quality. The hair lasts, it looks natural, and I'll definitely say both of the hairs are the most natural looking hair to use for soft locks. I absolutely love the Bonita Rebel hair, but if I'm ever in a bind and need to hurry up and get my hair done, I'll definitely be going to the hair store to get the Freetress hair. Like I said, if you are new to my channel, thank you. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below what hair you use, if you have used the Bonita Rebel hair before, what experience you had with the hair. And I just want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.